This is how you can check saved passwords in a Google Chrome on the Android. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So first step, of course, we're going to go to the Chrome web browser. We are greeted with this like new page UI, but we want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner to expand more options. And from this, we want to find the settings. It's right in here. So click on the settings within the Google Chrome. And in there, we can browse this and find Google Passwords Manager. So you can get there. And this is the page which shows up. You can browse your stored passwords as well as manage settings for future ones. So as you can tell, I don't really have much available in here, but I guess you can kind of like add more things and so on. So yeah, you can just do stuff or offer to save the password once you sign into a new place. I personally keep it disabled, so that's up to you, of course, but this is the place where you can see it. So you'll be able to browse all of the stuff in there, but also pay attention to the Google account, because it might happen that you have your passwords saved but in another account, and in that case you'll not be able to see it. So you have to kind of like switch to another device or switch to another account, and that's how you'll be able to kind of like add a different set of data and passwords in there. And one more thing, you don't necessarily have to just go to the Chrome to get them, because there is also the separated Google Passwords app which you can download for free from the Play Store, and you'll be able to basically get the same functionality, but you don't have to go through the Chrome anymore. But I guess that's it. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.